Part 6 of Section 1, Individual Responsibility. Mas'uliyat kal-insan wa makana lenafsin an tamuta illa bi'idnillahi kitaban muwajjalan wa man yurid thawaba dunya nunehe minha wa man yurid thawabal akhirate nutehe minha wa sanajzil shakirin wa kullu shay'in fasalnahu tafsilan wa kulla insanin alzamnahu ta'irahu fi manaqehe wa nukriju lahu yamal qiyamati kitaban yalqahu manshura man amilal sayyatan fala yujza illa mithlaha wa man amila salahan min dhakarin al-untha wa huwa mu'minun fa ulaika yadkhuluna jannata yurzaquna fiha min ghayri hisab. Surah 3, Ayat 145. It is impossible for a human being to die without God's permission, and unless his death be inscribed or appointed, whoso craves for the reward of this world, we will grant it to him. Whoso craves for the reward of the other world, we will grant it to him. We shall reward the thankful. Surah 17, Ayat 13. We have ordained all deeds in every detail and have fastened on the neck of each man the reckoning of his destiny. On the resurrection day, we will offer him a book, which he will find wide open. Surah 40, Ayat 40. Whoso commits an evil deed will be requited with the like thereof, but whoso will, be it man or woman, has done a good deed and has believed, he shall enter into paradise, where they shall enjoy everything unsparingly. And these two verses. Now, free will is addressed there. So if you choose to do good, you'll face the results. And if you choose to do bad, you'll face the results. So how the comments saying these verses don't answer, they do. And the thing about, okay, God has made the final decision what we're, but see, the thing is that no one's burdened beyond the capacity of what they can bear, as it says in the end of Surah 2. So the people who have, so God prevents us from making anything, from being in the situation to make a choice that we'll have culpability for, that we're incapable of doing otherwise. So, and see, it's an offer. It's an offer of their book. Wala tastawil hasanatu wala sayyatu idfa'a billati hiya ahsanu fa'idha ladhi bainaka wa bainahu adawatun kanahu waliyun hamim, wa taku yawman la najzi nafsun man nafsin shayan wala yuqbalu minha shafa'atun wala yuqadu minha adlun wala hum yunsarun walau yuwakidullahu nasa bimakasabu mataraka ala sahreha min dabatin walakin yuwakiruhum ila ajalin musamman fa'idha ja'a ajaluhum fa'innallaha kana bi'ibadihi basir. Surah 41, ayat 34. A good and an evil deed are not alike. Retort an evil deed with the reverse. Thine enemy will become an eager patron. So repel evil with what is good rather than evil for evil. With the reverse, something what is best. An enemy, literally between whom and thyself is enmity. Surah 2, 848. Fear the day wherein the merits of one soul shall not be reversed in favor of another soul, nor shall its intercession be accepted, nor shall any compensation be taken from it, nor shall the wrongdoers be helped. Literally, a soul shall not take the place of another soul, and literally, they, or shall they be helped? Okay, Surah 35, ayat 45. Were God to punish men for the sins they accumulate, he would not leave a being upon the face of the earth, but he respites them until an appointed time. When comes their death, God will be fully apprised of the doings of men. And again, we're referring to something gender neutral here. So all humans